In this video, I'm going to help you understand the meaning of content creation in the context of starting and growing a content business. So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur that is interested in starting a content business, it is important to understand that creating content is going to be a vital part of your business. So, you definitely want to stay tuned. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the like button so I know you are interested in this kind of content and I can continue creating more of it for you. So, let's start with the basics of what a content business actually is. So, if you have any knowledge or experience in any topic and you want to sell, aka make money from that knowledge or experience, a content business is what you would need to start. You will create content around that knowledge or experience to get your ideal audience to notice you, attract them, and bring them into your world. And you will make money from that knowledge or experience by selling either services or products to that audience. Ideally, your audience has a problem or a desire that relates to that knowledge or experience that you have. And they're looking for a solution that meets that need or solves that problem. And the solution will hopefully come from you. How you will make money is by selling them the services and products that will help them solve their problem or fulfill their desires. Be sure to download the 20 tips for beginner content creators that I have linked down in the description box below. So, what is this content that you're creating exactly? Your content refers to information or experiences that can be consumed by an audience. It can come in many forms, such as articles, blogs, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and much more. So, why does your content matter? Well, good content serves as a powerful tool to build an audience, encourage engagement, and ultimately convert viewers into customers. The core of any content business is high quality, compelling content that is valuable to your audience. So, your content acts as a bridge connecting your business to your audience. Now, let's talk about the process of actually creating the content. It's not just about making something and just putting it out there. It's a multi-step process. First, you need to plan your content. This is where you map out your ideas. So, what is the message that you want to communicate? Who's your target audience? How often will you publish content? These are critical questions to ask at this stage. Next comes the production phase. This is where you actually create your content, whether it's writing an engaging blog post, filming an insightful video, recording your audio, or crafting an eye-catching infographic. So pretty much the act of actually creating the content is done in this stage. Once your content is ready, it's time for publishing. This is where you share your content with the world, choosing the right platforms and timing to reach your audience. Next is the promotion phase. This is where you actively market your content. You can use social media, SEO, email newsletters, and other methods to ensure it gets seen by your intended audience. But content creation does not exist in a vacuum. You need a robust content strategy. This strategy answers key questions such as, who do you want to create content for? What type of content will you create? Which platforms will you use to share it? How will you promote it? A great content strategy also requires an understanding of your target audience's needs. You need to determine how your content can provide value, solving their problems, or answering their questions. Remember, you're not just aiming to attract an audience, but to engage them and retain them. Navigating the world of content creation can seem daunting. You will need to consistently innovate, adapt, and improve to keep your audience engaged. You will also need to stay updated with digital trends and changes. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember the core of any content business is value. If you provide consistent, high-quality content that adds value to your audience's lives, you will be successful. Don't forget to download the 20 tips for beginner content creators that I have for you in the description box below. That brings us to the end of this guide on the basics of content creation and starting a content business. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of what content creation entails and how you can leverage it in your journey as an entrepreneur running a content business. If you have any questions about starting your own content business, please ask them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. Or if you want to share your experiences about your journey in starting a content business, I'd love to hear those also. Please share them in the comment section as well. Please subscribe to this channel as well and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.